Dumpster rental service in Massachusetts. Are you working on a home renovation, construction project, or cleaning your garage? For fast and efficient waste removal, trust We Dump It, the top choice for dependable dumpster rental service in Massachusetts. At We Dump It, we're more than just a dumpster rental service, we're your partners in keeping your property clean and clutter-free. Whether you're a homeowner, contractor, or business owner, we provide the right-sized dumpster for your project needs. We offer a range of dumpster sizes to accommodate any project size, from small home cleanups to large construction jobs. Our team will drop off the dumpster at your desired location, allowing you to fill it up at your own pace. At We Dump It, we care about the environment, that's why we take extra steps to sort and recycle waste whenever possible. By choosing us, you're getting a reliable dumpster rental service in Massachusetts that helps protect our planet. Ready to start on your next project? Contact We Dump It today at 508-776-4740 and experience Massachusetts' most accessible and dependable dumpster rental service. Join the thousands of satisfied customers who have trusted We Dump It for all their waste removal needs.